The Opheroid, also known as the brittle star and serpent star, have a 5-rayed pattern, which means they can be divided evenly into 5 parts. This is also known as pentaradial symmetry, which is seen in other echinoderms such as sea stars and sand dollars. There are over 2,000 species of Opheroids. Their mouths are located on the oral surface, and on the opposite side is the arboreal surface. Their arms are much more thin and spiny than a regular sea star's, and each of their arms consists of articulating structures that are similar to the vertebral column. They are skeletal ossicles which allow them to do snake-like motions, and the muscles that link these ossicles are also capable of contracting, which is commonly used as a defense mechanism when they need to squeeze out of a tight space. And the brittle star has also been observed to ditch their trapped arms, which is known as autotomy. Most Opheroids are omnivorous scavengers, so they will usually use their feet to catch food on the bottom. Their arms are used in a way that allows them to move in a rowing motion because they have 2 legs out to the side and 1 in the back. And this is what they look like in their habitat. And that's the picture I drew. And then next we have Crinolines. And they're a very interesting group of echinoderms because they're the only ones with their mouths facing upwards. And they are also considered to be the oldest living class, with over 5,000 identified fossils and 620 living species. 80 of these species are called sea lilies, and they are permanently attached to the substratum, and they are usually located about 100 meters deep. The other group of crinoids are known as feather stars, and they move freely through shallow tropical waters. They're named the feather stars because each of their arms has rows of pinnules, which are similar to wings, which make them look like feathers. And the feather stars are nocturnal feeders, so they just position themselves where the current allows them to sit and just filter feed by trapping all the plankton that passes by. And then here's another picture of them in their habitat. And that's it.